Hi, Varun Wright from BigID here, and I wanted to ask, are you ready for the new Children's Online Privacy Protection Act rules coming in 2025? See, if your platform collects data from kids under 13, this update is a game changer, and non-compliance isn't an option. See, when it comes to COPPA, we're talking stricter rules on data minimization, mandatory verifiable parental consent, written security programs, and new protections for biometric data like voice recordings and facial scans. And that means you need to know what data you're collecting, prove you've gotten consent, securely manage it, and delete it when you don't need it anymore. BigID makes this easy. Our platform automatically discovers and classifies children's data, manages parental consent at scale, and enforces data minimization and retention policies. Don't wait until the FTC knocks. Stay ahead of the curve, reduce risk, and protect your youngest users with confidence. If you're ready to get COPPA compliant, book a demo with BigID. Thank you.